Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Copper Import for Gmail and Contacts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Copper website. Click on the Get Started button. You will be directed to the Sign Up page. If you already have an account, select Login instead. Fill in your details to create an account if needed. Once logged in, find the Integrations tab in the dashboard. Click on the Integrations option. Scroll down to locate Gmail. Click on the Connect button beside Gmail. You will be prompted to authorize access to your Gmail account. Select the Google account you want to link to Copper. Read the permissions required, then click Allow. Copper will now begin the integration process. You should see a confirmation when the integration is successful. Next, go to the Contacts section in your Copper dashboard. Click on Import Contacts to bring in your Gmail. Choose if you want to import all contacts or select specific ones. Follow the prompts to complete the import process. Review the imported contacts in Copper to ensure everything is correct. You have successfully installed the Copper Import for Gmail and Contacts. Congratulations on setting up Copper for enhanced productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.